To measure an angle, click the Angle Measurement button in the Show Measurements submenu, accessible from the toolbar or by right-clicking on the image. Drag the left mouse button to draw the first segment. Then, position the cursor to the end point of the second segment and click the left mouse button to draw it automatically. The angle will be displayed in degrees. If needed, drag the label to reposition it. To adjust the measurement, click on it and drag one of the segment endpoints. To move the measurement, drag it to a new position. To remove the measurement, click on it and press the Cancel key. Alternatively, click the Remove Measurements button in the Show Measurements submenu to delete all unsaved measurements from the current image series. Unsaved measurements remain available only for the duration of the session.